What's the meaning of aquatic? Aquatic. Aquatic.
Aquatic. Aquatic. The term aquatic refers to anything that is related to or lives in water. This can include plants, animals, and other organisms that exist in aquatic environments such as oceans, lakes, rivers, and streams. Aquatic plants are those that grow in or under water, while aquatic animals are those that live exclusively or partially in water. Aquatic environments can vary greatly in terms of temperature, salinity, and depth, which in turn can impact the types of organisms that are able to survive in them. Overall, the term aquatic is used to describe anything pertaining to water-based ecosystems or life forms.